How to restore default wallpaper in WhatsApp. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. So without any further ado, let's get into this video. First of all, launch the WhatsApp application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your number. Once you land in your chat page, now navigate to the top right corner and from there tap on three dots icon. Again, a drop-down menu will pop up. From there, tap on Settings. Once you get to your settings page, scroll down a bit and find Chats. So tap on Chats, and under this chat interface, at the top on the display, there is Wallpaper. So tap on Wallpaper. Now from this interface, there is a Change button. So tap on Change. That will take you to next page. Here you will have different theme of your wallpaper. Now to change back to default, tap on the default wallpaper option from this interface. Here this is the preview of your default WhatsApp wallpaper. Now to set the default WhatsApp wallpaper, tap on Set Wallpaper. And with that, the default wallpaper in WhatsApp has been set. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.